How to find out how much time you spend watching YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are curious to know how much time you have spent watching YouTube, you can do that on the YouTube application itself. So let's begin the steps. The first step is to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure that your app is fully updated. In order to check if your application is updated or not, tap on the Play Store or App Store option. Then search for YouTube. Here, if you find the update button, simply tap on this button and then update YouTube to the latest version. Now, it will take some time for the updates to be installed. Once your app has been fully updated, tap open the YouTube application on your device. Now, tap on the U option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're here, scroll down and you should find the option of Time Watched. Tap on this option. The time watch screen is now displayed where you can see how much time you've spent watching YouTube on a daily basis over the last 7 days. You can also check out the daily average. You also have the minutes you have watched YouTube today and also last 7 days. Down below, you also have tools to manage your YouTube time. If you want YouTube to remind you to take a break, toggle this option on. Then you want to set the reminder frequency. You also have the option to remind when it's bedtime. Toggle this on and then set your start time and end time. And this is how you can find out how much time you spent watching YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.